In this video, I'm going to show you how to make your own Roblox theme using Stylish. For this, search for Stylish in your browser and select Stylish Chrome extension. So I'm using another browser, so I'll have to download it from here. So here is the Stylish. Click on download extension, then click on get. Click on add extension. After that, it will be added to your browser. Click on agree. And go to your Roblox profile, and here you'll see the Stylish pop-up. Click on show me more, and here you can see there are various styles present. So you can choose any one of them. Click on install style. It will be added to your Roblox page like this. And in order to create a new style, we'll have to go to the Stylish extension by clicking here, and then click on these three dots, and here click on create new style. After that, we'll have to click on create new style and select web style, then sign in from your email or Google ID. Then click on create new style, and here name your style, type a description, so there's another thing that we can do here. We can just go down to this theme, select any theme, and click on show CSS. Then copy the CSS code from here, from another theme. Copy the whole CSS, copy it, and then go back to your create your own style page. Give your style a name. You can also add a URL, it is optional, and type in a description that you want to make. Then paste the CSS code that we just copied from another theme here. And for changing the background of this theme, we'll have to search for the background code. So the background code is here. It says URL. Site it came from background image URL. So we'll have to copy this URL and clear this. Copy it and click the backspace button. Then go to a new tab and search for an image that you want to insert in your Roblox theme. So for example, I'm selecting this image. We'll have to right click on this image and click on copy image link. So we can open it in a new tab and click on copy image link. Then go back to the code, and here under the URL section, paste the code that we've just copied. And click on save and publish your style. You can also add another sections to your Roblox theme, like this gallery thumbnail. So I'm just uploading this. Click on save and publish your style. So I'll have to change my style name. You'll have to choose a distinct name. Click on save and publish your style. So my style has been saved, and it will take nearly 5 minutes to make changes to the Roblox site. So that's how we can make our own Roblox theme using Stylish. Like and subscribe if you found this video helpful.